see the cars. Wow, nice. It's pretty cool. It feels like a sports car, man. Hey, how's it going, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I will share my experience about selling my last car, and I will talk about my experiences and everything. So if you guys are into it, if you guys are interested in this topic, please watch the full video. So guys, now I'm waiting in the Scarborough GO station. So from here I will take a train and I will go from Scarborough to Oshawa. So in Oshawa there is a Honda showroom. I checked their reviews in Google and other places. It's more than 4.5. So I thought, okay, let's go to Oshawa and check out that place. So my train is here. Let's go to Oshawa. Hey guys, so now I'm inside the train. It's called GO train. So yeah, maybe you guys already see the outside of the train, and now I'm inside, and it's pandemic, so I cannot open my mask. I have to wear it, and then I have to make the video like that. Yeah. So as you guys can see here, maybe some maybe wall or shield, something like that, to keep like both the customers safe. And yeah, if you guys come here, it feels like when I came from my back home, the airplanes, this train feels like airplanes, I would say, because you guys can see the seat, the environment, everything is awesome. So beautiful, man. I love this train. Okay, first of all, why I sold my car, you guys might be asking. So actually the reason is my car was little bit small and it was a city car. So yeah, it was hard to drive in, in highway. It was easy to drive in cities. It was fuel efficient, but it wasn't that easy to drive in highway. So I thought, okay, if it's hard to drive in highway, why not change the car? And there are some other plans also in my mind, so I will share with you those plans. If you follow me, you can see the videos in future. But yeah, for now I'm like, okay, let's sell it. So when I decide to sell, I just create one post in Facebook Marketplace, and I just posted it in Facebook Marketplace. Now you guys can see how many replies I got from there. So yeah, as I told you before, that I created one post in Facebook and I posted in, and I was like getting so many comments. Like most of the people were good, and yeah, they were like asking for cheaper price, but there were some scammers too. Like those guys, they send the car from Toronto to maybe other countries. Okay, so other countries like Africa and other places. So they were sending me messages from maybe 10, 20, 15 accounts, and I can understand that those guys are the same guys, because the way they talk or send me messages or like asking the price to reduce it, I can understand. So I was like, no, I cannot sell the car to those guys, because if they are sending me messages from maybe 10 accounts, how can I trust them? So no, I just skip that part. When I realize those guys are trying to make something scamming or like fishy, then I just avoid those guys. I was looking for a guy or a person who is like me, or like one individual person who wants to buy a car. So yeah, after maybe 3 days, I got one client. That guy was from here, but his background is from Sri Lanka. So yeah, he was kind of nice guy. He like checked everything, my car, and yeah, he liked it. When they liked it, I was like, okay, I'm sitting in the car, so I can drop the car to you. So I went there in Ajax. It's near a city near like Scarborough or in Toronto. So I went there. I dropped the car. They like sent the money to my bank account. It's called e-transfer. So yeah, it was an easy process, but yeah, like I was a little bit worried that would I get a customer or not, because it's kind of old car. But I was surprised because people are crazy for Toyota or Honda here. So yeah, that's the reason I got a lot of knock from a lot of customers. For now, I want to buy another car, and for this car I have to be careful. Why? Because I don't want to change any car for next 2 or 3 years. It's sometimes hassling to change the car, because when you drive a car, you become comfortable with that car, and you start liking that car. It's like your partner or friend. So yeah, I'm thinking to go in a lot of places. It's like I will go to private buyers, I will go to different showrooms, and I will try to compare. And I'm not actually this time I'm not thinking about price, because I will get the work permit within few days or months. So I'm not worried about money now. I'm just mainly worried about the car I'm choosing. Is it perfect car for me? Is it fuel efficient? Is it reliable? Is it look good? Is it attractive actually? So today I'm going to Honda. Let's see. I will show you some cars over there if I can. But yeah, today I'm going to Honda. Before going to Honda, let's see some other footages from Go Crane and enjoy it. Check this out, man. This is called Lake Ontario. See the view. I'm loving it, man. So peaceful, so beautiful. Wow. That side is a residential area, and on this side is Lake Ontario. See, Guys, please comment if you like the view. Please comment me. Isn't it beautiful? Still, I'm not that far from Toronto. It's like only 10 minutes away from Toronto, and this is the view, man. So it's like city and countryside. You can have the both feelings. Guys, so now I have reached the Honda showroom. See over there. I have to cross the road, and then I will be reach over there. check this out, man. Lot of cars. And I choose this one. It's Whitby Ottawa Honda. Why? Because I checked on Google and other places. It has good review. That's the reason I choose this one. See the cars. So now I'm waiting to test drive one car. Yep. Oh, as you guys can see, this is the car. So this is the key I have, and it has sunroof and everything. So I will go there, go and drive this car for test drive, and if I like it, I can confirm it. Or if I don't like it, I have always choice to see the second one, right? So yeah, see, man, it's so cool, you know. I can adjust the seat and everything. It has sunroof. I can open it, and it's raining, so I don't want to open anything. I just want to drive, and I just want to feel the car, because from outside it looks so good, and I have driver license and other clean records, so I can always drive and feel that is it good or not. So comment, what do you guys think? Should I buy it? It's Honda Civic EXT. It's turbo, so it's pretty cool, man. Yeah, it has racing, you know, feel. Plus, it is reliable, fuel efficient. It is a awesome car. So yeah, let me just go and try this out, and yeah, let me see if I like it or not. You can see the car is start. Yeah, it is started, but it doesn't have any keys. Here is the keys. So it is like I just have to start, press this start and stop button, and I don't have to use the key to turn it on. Pretty cool, right? And also it has so many options for safety, like front collision, brake system, and other stuff. Oh, it's a pretty cool car. It's nice, clean. Yeah, 4-door. I have done the test driving. Now I again parked, and it's pretty cool. It feels like a sports car, man. Now I will check about the pricing and other stuff. So if it suits, and if everything is fine, maybe I will confirm, or I have choice always to see the next car. So I was just wanted to give you guys one example how you will come in Canada to buy a car in a showroom and just test drive and everything. I try to explain most of the stuff. I hope it will be helpful for you when you come here new. Yeah, wish me luck so that I can get a good car and with a good price. This is the second car, and it is not EXT, it is just Honda Civic EX. So it doesn't have any turbo engine. So I drive the first one as you saw, and maybe now I will try this one, and I have the key. So let's turn it on, and just I will show you this start engine. See, just started, and I have the key. So that's the reason I love Honda. Yeah, everything turned on and sounds pretty good. The engine sound and everything. It has little bit more mileage than the last one, but let's try. And oh, it has a sunroof, and you know the glasses, it's little bit tinted from the outside. So I have decided I will buy the Civic, but which one I don't know yet. Let's see. Okay. Oh, let me show you again. It has also this one, lane departure, front collision, and some other stuff. So it is you know, it comes with a lot of safety. I don't want to get copyright for the song. Okay guys, maybe that's all. I will try this one. If I like it, like if I buy any car, you guys will know because I will upload, right? So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment what you think about it. Yeah, that's all for this video. I just wanted to help you guys, and I also wanted to keep all of these as a memory. So I hope you like the video. Please press the like button, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. See you in the next video.